Today is another unboxing video. We have the Chic Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. I just picked this up from my post office, so I always forget like what months it's for because sometimes it comes a little bit late, sometimes not. So if you want to see what I got, here are my thoughts and opinions, and is this puppy worth the money? Keep on watching. Today is Tuesday morning. It's pretty early. It's about 9:30 a.m. and I have to go somewhere with my daughter, and then I have a dermatologist appointment. Hence why we have no face makeup on except for some lipstick. So I look somewhat alive. So I picked this up from my post office last week on Thursday, and as you can see, I haven't opened it or anything. So I'm just not sure like what month it's for. Here's my thoughts. This is about $35 every other month. I do have a discount code. Again, I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. And it has its hits and misses. I know the 1 month, it was like terrible. And then last time I got it, it was really, really good. So, all right, so there's a few things. I guess just didn't fit in the box. But it still feels pretty heavy. Oh, no, I'm dropping. So this is what the box looks like, and you get 5 full-size items. The one thing I do really enjoy about this subscription is that you get higher end or you can get drugstore, you know, so I love that. Let me get my phone. I just want to make sure they didn't raise the price or anything like that. Okay, so it says it's bi-monthly. It's $34.99. Again, I have my discount code. It says you get to choose 5 to 6 full-size brand name beauty products. You can select bi-monthly, 6 or 12 months option below. So if you do, let's see, the bi-monthly, like I said, is $35. If you do the 6 month, it would be $94.99, and if you do the whole year, it is $189.99. And now it says the boxes are fully customizable. Okay, so let's open her up and see what we got. All right, so Chic Beauty Box. Okay, so this is for May, June, so we're right on time. And you could either get variation 1 or variation 2. I don't know which one I have. So let's look at the 2 things that came out of the box. So this is a Laura Geller dual-ended blush and a bronzer blush. I don't think I've ever tried any Laura Geller like tools, like brushes or anything like that. I do enjoy their makeup, like eyeshadows and stuff. I know a lot of times this brand is in like Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but I do. I enjoy the makeup. I don't think there's ever been anything I'm like, ugh, you know? I'm so dumb. I'm like, oh, it's double-sided, but I read, it says dual-ended. For some reason, in my head, I was thinking it would just, one brush would be, you could use it for bronzer or blush. But anyway, so this is the angled brush on this side. So I'm surmising this is your bronzer. And then you have the blush brush here. This feels very soft. It's nice, actually. I like my brushes like a little dense and soft at the same time, like just right. Reminded me of the 3 Bears, the porridge, like it just right. Anyway, but this is a nice brush. Let's see how much this is. This is $34. Okay, now I see why this brand is in like TJ Maxx and stuff. I don't know, but again, that's why I like beauty subscription boxes, because you're not paying. This right here pays for the whole box. Do you know what I mean? But this is nice. I'll definitely use it. I'm glad I got this. Okay, so we have that. And then the other thing that was outside the box is this. This is from Hard Candy. And what you be? Oh, it's a long wear setting spray. And you guys know I love me some setting sprays. I don't know if like setting sprays make your makeup last longer. I don't know, because I don't typically, when I do have like a full face on, I don't wear makeup like 8-10 hours a day, you know. But I do know I love setting sprays to help like for powder. And then I just spray it on my face. Then I take a dampen beauty blender and I would push it in, and then like the powder, like it kind of like melts into your skin, so you don't have that cakey look. Like I always use a setting spray when I'm doing like makeup, my full face of makeup and stuff. This is $12.99. It's a Sheer Energy Glow Setting Spray. Long wear. Okay, I don't know. Oh, it's taped. Oh, I like that it's taped. Hold on. Okay. All right, let's see how the mister is. That's the thing. You ever have one that feels like you got punched in the face? Okay, this has like a I don't know how to explain it. Let's see. I have nothing on my face, but I just want to say. Okay, I like this mister. This reminds me of like the Wet n Wild. I love this mister. It's nice. I like it. What I also do is sometimes I take, what did I do with it? I just had it. It fell. Sometimes I'll take my dampen beauty blender, what have you, and then I'll spray like this part, the top of my beauty blender, and then I'll press in like if I put concealer and powder, and then I make sure, because you know when you're aging, you know, I'm 49 years young, and so it stops from that cakiness and stuff, you know. So I do that as well. It has, I don't know what the smell is. It's not a bad smell, but I can smell like a smell. Like a fragrance, you know. All right, I'm glad to get this. I'll definitely use this. I'm happy. Okay, so we have 3 more products. The next thing is this right here. I don't know what you be. I think it's a highlighter. Oh! It says no. What is this? I don't know what brand. I can't read it. So this is from CoverGirl. It's a 4-kit eyeshadow enhancers for $17.99. So what enhancers are, which I really do like, if you already have like a shimmer on and you want, like, it's like a topper to really make it boost. Let's open her up and do some swatches. I don't know what you're going to see. Why can't I open this? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. Literally, like, why? Is it taped? Maybe it's taped.
2 very boring minutes later.
Wow, so you get 4 different colors. It's very pretty. I don't even know if you can see. Let me see. Can you see the different colors? So you have pink, green, blue, and yellow, I think. Very pretty. All right, let's do some swatches. Oh my God, it feels like velvet. Now, you can also put this on alone, you know. But I bet you this would be pretty if I wet it. Yeah, so you're not going to really see it too much on my hand. I'm sure if you wet it, it'd be beautiful. Let's try it. Let me put... This is the green, and I'm going to spray with the setting spray. Never spray in the shadow, because then you'll get it, it'll get like hard pan. So if you have it on your brush, I use my finger. I'm a fingerer.
Oh, you nasty.
But if you use a brush and like put it on your brush and then spray your brush. Let's see. All right, so I just did the green here, and it did help. Can you see once I got it wet? And I was just going on one time once it's wet. So again, if you just want like just a pop of color, like very lightly, but something there, use that, or put this on top of a shimmer, you know? All right, I ain't mad at it. I'm not. Like, I'm going to definitely use this. Yes, I am. All right, what else we got? We got... Ooh, Elizabeth Arden. This puppy's expensive, this brand. This is, what are you? It's a blush, a beautiful color in Sweet Peach. This is $22 for a blush. I thought it was going to be more. I mean, $22 is still expensive, but I thought it was going to be more. Yeah, shade 02 Sweet Peach. I love blush. I used to like really be into bronzer. If I had to choose between bronzer and blush, I used to always do bronzer, but now it's definitely blush. Sometimes I don't even wear bronzer, just blush now. All right, so that's what it looks like. It's a little filthy, but that's okay. Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting this. All right, so you have a mirror. You have a nice mirror, but I was expecting it to be bigger than that. Oh gosh. So that's what it looks like, and this is the old school brushes back in the day in the 90s, right? I started high school in 1990, and this is all you got. You didn't have like the really nice brushes that you have now, you know. This is it. This is what you used, you know. All right, let's do a little swatch. $22 for this, but this will last a while though. It's very light. Let's see. Oh, okay. It does have some pigment to it though. It's definitely peach. I like now the like bubblegum pink and pink colors, or maybe mauve, but more like pinky. I don't look good really with peachy unless I have like a little tan, you know, but I'll use it if I have it, but I won't purchase it. Does that make sense? But this is pretty though. This is like my daughter will look beautiful with this color. All right, did I tell? Oh, yeah, I told you the price. And last but not least, what we got? Laura Mercier, or Mercier, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Is this a set? Yep, translucent, loose setting powder. Again, who remembers back in the day, everybody had the Laura Mercier. That was like 2017, 2018 era, probably even 2019 maybe, remember? Full size, but everybody had one of these. Do you guys remember that? Let me know down below. So there's two prices, $43 and $38. So I don't know what that means. Loose setting powder? I don't know. Maybe depending on the size. It's 29 grams, 1 ounce. So we'll just say $38, even if we go on the lower end. I mean, almost $40 for this. And this box is only $34.99, plus my discount code if you use it, you know? Wow, I haven't used this Laura Mercier in a long time. I really liked it, though, at the time. Okay, so let's recap everything that you could receive in your May-June box. This is what I received. So I got the loose setting powder, Laura Mercier, which I've tried this before and I do like it. I'm glad to get it. We got Elizabeth Arden. We got this blush. We got from did I say CoverGirl? This is Almay. Oh, you know what? I misspoke. So CoverGirl I seen has 4 kit eyeshadow enhancers for $17.99. No, this is Almay. This is a 4 quad eyeshadow for $10. Okay, so I messed up. So we got that. Then we got the Laura Geller blush and a bronzer blush, which I'm happy to get. And then we got the setting spray. Overall, if somebody said, would you give me $35 for this? You're damn right. I definitely think it's worth it. I will use everything that I got. Everything. I will use the setting spray. The blush is the only thing, but I'll probably see if my daughter will want this. Only because of the color, right? But if this was like pink or whatever, I would love it. You know what I mean? But I'll give this to my daughter, so I'm happy about that. And I'll use this as well. I'm putting this right in my little thingamajiggy right there. I'll definitely use this. Always make sure you wash your brushes before you use them. I'm definitely happy with this box this month. Let me know, would you pay $35 for this? Would you be happy with this? I really like the fact that you get like higher end or mid-range, and you also get drugstore, because sometimes we forget about the CoverGirl, L'Oreal, Almay. You know, like when we get BoxyCharm and Ipsy, you know, you have the higher end. But, you know, I don't know. I still like my drugstore makeup, so I'm glad to, you know, still get it. So anyway, let me know your thoughts and opinions, and that is everything. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel, Just Anne's World. I'm getting ready to finish up a vlog right now. I started one last week. I'm going to finish it up. Hopefully I will get it up tonight. And then I have to go to the doctor's with my daughter, and then I have to go to the dermatologist. And then later on, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I got this when I did my vlog when I went to Walmart and stuff. I use this because you guys know I suffer from very thinning hair. Like, this is a fake ponytail. I use Topic, which is hair fibers, so that way you don't see my scalp, you know. But I use this because it's the beard, it says color for hair and beard, because when I would go buy like the regular dyes, I would only use this much and throw the I would waste my money. This here, the way that it comes, let me show you. You get 2 of these, right? One is the color and one is the what do you call that? I had to look it up, like, what is it called? You get the color and then the developer. You can mix it together, excuse me, or you could just use the color. What I like, so this is the color. What I like, you can, see that? You can use this and then close it. Because you don't mix it together, like in a tube, then you have to throw it away, right? It comes with this, and you do half developer, half color, and then you mix it around, and you can use this, right? I use a toothbrush, like a new toothbrush, of course, you know, because I go to Walmart and get those there's a pack of 4 for like $1. That's what I use. But I really like it because I can use this up like 3 to 4 times. And it's only like $6 or $7 tops for this. I like it. The only thing that scared me is when I first tried it, my hair, see the developer is yellow? And usually with hair dye, right, because I use black, right, it'll get light, but then after a minute or so, it'll get very dark. Well, this stayed yellow. And I thought, oh, did they put the wrong thing in? You know how sometimes they return things? And did I bleach my hair? It scared the shit out of me. And I only keep it on for 10 minutes, but it covered everything. I mean, I love this. Not sponsored. Anyway, I want to see, I'm a talker. My point is, I have a busy day, and then we'll be dyeing my hair. So maybe I'll do that on camera on my vlog channel later on tonight. I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting off of here. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement. Even if it's just an emoji, it would mean the absolute world to me. And I forgot my co-host. We have Miss Aura and Miss Akira over there. All right, bye.